To send Bitcoin via Robinhood, you will need to have a Robinhood account and a Bitcoin balance in your account. First, open the Robinhood app on your mobile device and log in to your account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the cryptocurrency section of the app by tapping on the cryptocurrency tab. Next, select Bitcoin from the list of available cryptocurrencies and tap on the Send button. You will be prompted to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address, so make sure you have this information readily available. It is crucial to double-check the recipient's address to avoid sending Bitcoin to the wrong address. After entering the recipient's address, you will need to specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can choose to send a specific amount of Bitcoin or a specific dollar amount. Make sure you have sufficient Bitcoin balance in your account to complete the transaction. Before confirming the transaction, review the details carefully, including the recipient's address and the amount of Bitcoin being sent. Also, be aware of the transaction fees associated with sending Bitcoin, as these fees can vary depending on the network congestion. Once you have reviewed the details, tap on the Confirm button to complete the transaction. The Bitcoin will be sent to the recipient's address, and the transaction will be recorded on the blockchain. It may take some time for the transaction to be confirmed, depending on the network congestion. It is essential to note that sending Bitcoin via Robinhood is only available to eligible customers, and there may be certain restrictions and limitations. Additionally, keep in mind that Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, so make sure you are sending Bitcoin to the correct address and that you are authorized to make the transaction. In conclusion, sending Bitcoin via Robinhood is a relatively straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. By following these steps and being mindful of the key concepts and best practices, you can securely and efficiently send Bitcoin to anyone with a Bitcoin address.